So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Could you tell a green field from a cold steel rail? Smile from a veil. So you think you can tell? Did they get you to trade your heroes for ghosts, hot ashes for trees, hot air for a cool breeze, cold comfort for change? Did you exchange walk-on pod in the wall for a lead role in the cage?